the foyer. I love that old school tile. Not so much the wallpaper, so that's all going to come off. New light fixture, obviously. A big coat hanger, coat closet. Maybe you have to put some doors in there. But as you enter, here's the living / dining room. Big old fireplace. Not a big fan of the ceiling, but once it's painted, it'll look really nice. Taking off all this textured walls, just putting flat gray. Replace this door with a French, well, sliding patio door, double door. These old radiators that are so efficient and so nice compared to the forced air these days. And here you have the stairs going up. So this is actually going into the kitchen. We're gonna close this off. We're gonna completely close this off. Put a drywall there and stairs going up. On this side you got the living room, sorry, the dining room. Nice big dining room. Going into the kitchen. Let's take a look.